Nag-aalala ka ba kung paano mas masecure ang iyong pamilya, bahay o business? Para sa ating video, pag-uusapan natin paano mapoprotektahan ang mga bagay na mahalaga sa iyo. Introducing Dahua Wireless Wi-Fi CCTV Camera. Nagsisilbing personal home and business security, ensuring the safety of your property and loved ones. This camera can provide surveillance and monitoring to deter potential intruders. It can monitor vulnerable areas, entry points, garage, pockets to enhance your security. For today, isi-share ko sa inyo ang mga importanteng features na maaaring hindi mo pa alam. Number 1, high definition video quality. Get crystal clear images from 3MP to 5MP. Perfect for identifying faces, license plates, o anumang bagay na gusto mong i-monitor closely. Number 2, two-way audio feature allows you to listen and talk through the camera. Mahusay para pwede ka makipag-usap sa iyong pamilya. Number 3, motion detection alerts. Stay informed with real kapag may kumikilos sa iyong kabayan. Number 4, smart dual light. This camera comes equipped with infrared night vision. Ginawa ito para makakita ng malinaw kahit pa low light conditions. Number 5, 360 degrees rotatable lens to ensure that all corners are fully monitored. Saan man sulok ng kabahayan ay makikita mo. Number 6, AI human detection can recognize human image with high quality. And number 7, auto tracking. This feature is to lock the moving target in the center of the screen, providing their movement path kahit saan pa siya magpunta. Kaya today, for a limited time only, order your supply of Dahua wireless Wi-Fi camera to start ensuring your safety and security now. Click the button below and choose your package now. We have 7 days money-back guarantee, 2 years product warranty, and lifetime online service technical support. Please contact our hotline number 0917-560-9365. For more inquiries, you can contact any of our 21 store branches. 7 in Metro Manila, 4 in Rizal, 4 in Bulacan areas, and 6 in Cavite, Laguna, Batangas area. Maraming salamat po.